And this is how the Red Rooster sounds. Yeah. Okay, it's 11:30 and I decided to drive Bodhan's bike. This is his new bike, by the way. The stock exhaust. And this is mine. Overall idea is I wanted to see how is the bike performing, and I actually have quite a lot of stories to tell about, you know, the delivery experience of this bike as well. Acha. He's just ripping my bike. Control. But you know, I mean, since this is a stock bike, the vehicle is smooth, it's nimble. Yeah. The vehicle is very smooth and nimble, and I mean, this sounds very sweet. However, my experience is, when I got those Red Roosters, right, my bike surprisingly became even more smoother. Of course, this is hardly 380 kilometers driven, not even the first servicing is done. Mine, I think I clocked above 8,000 kilometers. But the pickup wise and all, I feel mine is better. But however, I cannot comment much because this is a new bike. If you want to stay low key and all, I think the stock exhausts are the best. And of course, if you want to do long on this bike, then sure, this is the ideal. Even I would, you know, use the stock exhaust maybe. But the thing is that 14 kgs of what the stock exhaust weighs makes a hell lot of difference when you get it changed to the aftermarket ones. I mean, I feel my bike is way lighter than this one. Instant pickup, just like that. Where do you want to stop? Ekkada apudam?
Nee istam bro.
Alaksa mundukelli చూసేసి వద్దామా? Yes, this was the bike I was driving. This is Bodhan's bike. Say hi. So yeah, this is the same Sunset Strip model, the one which I have. And I'm so sorry I didn't clean my bike much. But yeah, so practically, visually, they're all very similar. However, whatever the changes that I noticed was, in my bike, right, he didn't give me this cut near the levers. Okay.
Yeah, I got these.
Yeah, you got that. That is the only visual difference that I was able to see. Yeah. In, you know, this is the 2023 model, and of course I got the seat cover. That's a different story. But yeah, this is how the stock exhaust would look. I mean, they protrude out of the body, but when I went, this is the Red Rooster exhaust, this is the aftermarket one. I did not install the DB killers, but yeah, this is how they look. And also, let me actually start the vehicle and I'll show you the difference between the stock exhaust, the way it sounds, and also the Red Rooster exhaust, the way this guy sounds. Okay. Few more. Just give me few more revs, no? Yeah. Cool. And this is how the Red Rooster sounds. Yeah. Yep. That's more like it. I like this one more. Yeah. But you know what? The surprising part is, even though I do understand this has a lot of back pressure because this is a stock exhaust, but the way, I mean, this is the smooth as it can get with the stock exhaust, okay? Because even until a couple of 1,000 kilometers back, even I had the stock exhaust, which you guys were able to see in my previous videos. It was smooth, it was fine, I was happy with it. But the moment I got my Red Roosters, I mean, any aftermarket exhaust which you get, what I observed was the bike becomes way far smoother. You were able to identify, no, how smooth my bike was?
It was very smooth.
Yeah. So, but whereas this is, I mean, this is smooth. This is the way the bike was supposed to be. But maybe this is the way the bike was supposed to sound.
Yeah.
So, that's one thing I really love about this.
I have noticed this. While driving this,
Mm-hmm.
it is way smoother than driving that. I mean, it's the
Yeah.
same machine,
Yeah.
but the difference the exhaust makes
Yeah.
is very huge.
Yeah. That's true. And also the way it handles this, you know, I was able to feel a bit of weight because I got used to this driving with these exhaust. When I want to, you know, make turns or anything, I was feeling thoda sa bit heavy on this, but whereas this is very nimble. So this is Bodhan's bike. This is a stock bike. Let's take her for a spin so that you guys will be able to see how does the bike sound with the stock exhaust, and then I'll also show you the difference with my bike that has the aftermarket exhaust. Okay, I'm sure that you guys are able to hear the way the bike sounds when it is idling. Let me give a couple of revs. It's very sweet. Chalo, let's go. We're almost 80. Okay. Now I think we will be able to rev it properly. Yeah, chalo. I really don't want to push this bike even more harder because again, there's a public road, so just to be on the safer side. Hi sir.
Recording.
Yeah. This is gonna come on the video. Chalo, now I'll do a short ride on my bike and I'll show it to you guys how does my bike sound. It's very aggressive, man. Chalo. But after installing the aftermarket exhaust, I'm saying, I mean I have already said this once and I'm saying this again, my bike feels a lot smoother. Chalo, we have empty road, let's rip it open. So yeah, this is how my bike sounds, and clearly this is the winner according to me, the way it sounds, because I mean I like it this way. So again, my views are very personal. So guys, yeah, as I told, I've also wanted to cover the delivery experience of this new bike. Okay, and we have Bodhan with us, so let's actually go ahead and we'll speak to him, and you guys would be quite surprised the way his delivery experience was. So that is the reason why I'm covering this in this video. So without further ado, let's go and we'll do that. So hi Bodhan.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
So are you happy with this bike?
I'm very happy with it.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
So what all did you like about this bike? I mean, this is your first bike, right? Coming from the Activa directly to.
It was 650, yeah.
So how's your experience with the vehicle? I mean, your driving experience, because it's been what, a week?
Yeah,
Or
it's been 10 days or so.
yeah, it's been 10 days, over a week.
Over a week, yeah.
So in this 1 week or more than a week, what's your experience? How do you wanna define your experience with this bike?
It's very beautiful yet scary.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
It's
Why
very
is that?
beautiful. I mean, the power this has to offer
Uh-huh.
when you're driving,
Yeah.
it's just great the way it pulls you over.
Yeah.
And you just want to push it. You want to push it.
Okay. Cool. Amazing. Also, so I was also part
Yeah.
during your bike delivery.
Yeah.
How was your delivery experience? How was the showroom experience? You have taken this bike from Erragadda showroom,
Yeah,
right?
Erragadda
It's the
showroom,
company owned showroom.
Company-owned showroom. That's the reason
Uh-huh.
I took it there.
Okay.
When I stay in Kisara, which is very far.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
because it's a Royal Enfield ka company ka showroom,
Huh.
I went there hoping for a better experience, but then
So what was your experience? I mean, when you from the day you have actually booked the bike to the day it actually when you got a call that the
Yeah.
bike is ready.
yeah.
I mean, how long was it? Was it a month or 2 months?
No, it was soon actually. Within a week I got my bike.
Within
But
a week. So from the week, so 7
From the
days
week I
before
booked-
you booked the
let us say I
bike.
booked today.
Huh.
Within a week I got my bike.
Okay. Amazing.
But then I took time to actually take the delivery.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So when you first saw the bike in the showroom, or how did the showroom people receive you?
There wasn't any receiving.
Okay.
I just walked into the showroom
Okay.
and I was just waiting for somebody to talk to me.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you.
Okay.
Even I approached people I want to take this bike. Can you please help me out or tell me about the bike? They were
Okay.
like, yeah. They were just pawning off their work to somebody else and nobody was coming.
Okay.
Finally, a guy showed up.
Okay.
And I asked him, explain me about the Interceptor.
Okay.
How does it go and all.
Yeah.
Like, you want to know about your vehicle which you are going to buy.
Yeah.
And he was just giving me the specs. Like this is 650cc,
Okay.
the fuel capacity,
Yeah.
and that's it. And that's done.
Yeah. Interceptor fast.
Interceptor fast. Yeah, Interceptor fast.
Okay. So you
And
know.
the worst part
Yeah.
is,
Huh.
I went to the showroom with my dad while booking. And you know what he told? He was like, these vehicles are just for show.
Really?
Yeah. That is what, that's the purpose of buying this or the GT. Yeah.
Okay.
In front of my father.
But Bodhan, I have actually a couple of questions. You know, so when you invited me during your bike delivery,
yeah.
where I was quite surprised with the way the bike's condition was. So
Surprised. I was surprised. You know, as excited as I was to get the vehicle, after seeing which vehicle has been allotted for me,
Huh?
the emotion and everything just got drained. I just went from like 100 to 0, not 0 to 100, 100 to 0.
Deceleration real quick, huh?
Yeah, when I saw my vehicle, luckily you noticed all those
Yeah.
differences, like chain car, like see,
Yeah.
now I have got it looped.
Yeah, you got it looped
Yeah,
now.
but then before it was completely rusted.
Yeah.
It's completely rusted, this part. And you can see the rust here too. To
Yes.
this exhaust, there is this rust.
Yes, this is
Also-
the rust that we are talking about,
Yeah,
guys. Yeah.
there is that rust. Or disc cape has been not here, I guess in the front wheel.
Uh-huh.
You can find rust here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here and the exhaust.
And even,
yeah.
believe me guys, this is just almost a 1 week old bike, and this is the condition that they gave us. I mean, this was the bike that was allotted. I mean, previously there was another bike that was allotted to us,
Which was way worse.
which was way worse, but then again we had to speak, and then we got another piece. So also, Bodhan, I mean, since you told that, you know, there was rust on the chain and rust all over, when you asked the showroom people to, you know, lube the chain,
They did.
what was their answer?
They said they will, but they didn't.
Why?
I don't. They said like, chalega 500 kilometers mein anyway you'll come to servicing, or then we'll lube it.
So that was their attention to detail for the bike delivery.
And they didn't even clean it properly. I didn't feel like I'm taking a new vehicle.
Okay.
There were all
Okay.
watermarks and whatnots.
But you know what? Surprisingly, even I took my vehicle from the same showroom.
That is the reason.
And that is the reason why I suggested you to go for the company showroom.
Yeah.
But surprisingly, they were a bit disappointing. I mean, the way they were receiving, and also the way,
Yeah.
you know, they were, I mean, the way they received us and their behavior towards the delivery experience as well. I mean, delivery experience matters.
It
So,
matters.
yeah.
And they were pushing me to take Hunter. Where I was clear I want an Interceptor. I was very clear. It's
Okay.
not like I was browsing whatever they have in Royal Enfield. I
Okay.
was very clear I wanted an Interceptor. Because when you took your vehicle
Yeah.
on March,
Yeah.
you gave it to me for a spin.
Yeah.
And I loved it then. Since then, I have made up my mind that I'll take an Interceptor 650.
Yeah.
And you can see I got the same one. In the color too.
But you know what? If you won't get offended, I want to say something.
Yeah.
My bike looks way newer than your bike, bro.
Bro, even on the delivery time, I thought your vehicle is a brand new one, not mine. Yeah, it's like I took some second-hand vehicle because I was interested in Interceptor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And it's been over a year you took your vehicle.
it's been exactly 1 year.
Exactly.
Someone from Royal Enfield is watching. I think this is very alarming, and you guys have to work on the delivery experience of your vehicles, and also the way they maintain and the pre-delivery inspection that they do. You guys have to take care of that.
Did you see there was pre-delivery inspection PDI marked on the vehicle which I was allotted to?
Yes.
On the
yes.
headlight they have written, this
Yes.
has been inspected and done.
Yeah.
I don't know what they inspected. And also, this is a new vehicle, and did you see this?
Oh yeah.
This is a new vehicle, and I didn't do this. I got it like this.
Oh, that's again even more alarming. Overall, genuinely about the vehicle, are you happy with the vehicle itself?
I'm very happy with it. I just smile every time I started.
Yes, that's
On
exactly
the-
the same reaction I get when I start my vehicle. For me, I tend to, you know, take it at least once in a week or twice in a week. That's all. So,
I'm taking it every day. I'm taking it out every day.
I hope you guys were able to enjoy and you were able to get a basic understanding about the way bike sounds with the stock exhaust and the way bike sounds with the aftermarket ones. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and also make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
रुको जरा सबर करो
All right. Oh shit.